Good morning, dear children. Class 4, Subject Social Science, Unit number 1, Tamils around the world. In today's session, we are going to learn about Singapore and Fiji. So first one, we are going to learn about Singapore. So Singapore has been initially founded in 1819 AD by a British statesman who is called as Sir Thomas Stamford Raffles. Okay children, the Sir Thomas Stamford Raffles only has been found modern Singapore in the age of 1819 AD. So he have been found that Tamils had connection with Singapore much before that. So before 1819 AD onwards, the Tamils has been connection with the Singapore. So when British ruled Singapore, Tamils came here as traders and workers. So when India has been ruled by the Britishers, at that time the Tamils came to Singapore only for trading and also for working. So okay children, when British ruled India, the Tamils came to Singapore from India for trading as well as working. One of the main reasons for the development and modernization of Singapore is considered to be the hard working of Tamils. Okay children, the hard working nature of Tamilians is led to the development as well as the modernization of Singapore. During the early years, that means during the early stages of Singapore, the Singapore British government and missionary schools selected only Tamils as teachers. That means in the initial stages, the teachers of the schools and the British government is the only Tamil peoples. So this is called as the hardworking nature of Tamilians led to the development and modernization of Singapore, as well as the Tamil teachers has been selected by the Singapore government and missionary schools. The Tamil peoples in Singapore mainly consist of lawyers, lecturers, doctors, engineers, government officials and even the politicians. Okay children, the peoples in Singapore which mainly consist of, that means the Tamil people consist of lawyers, lecturers, doctors, engineers and government officials, even politicians. So during the age of 1828, a famous Mariamman temple has been built in Singapore. This Mariamman temple has been built in a Dravidian style, that means Tamil style, and it is called as a national monument of Singapore. So this Mariamman temple, which was built in 1828, is called as a national monument of Singapore. So the main construction of Johor Bridge, Kallang Airport, Sembawang Shipyard are the symbols of Tamil's hard work. So these kind of Johor Bridge, Kallang Airport and Sembawang Shipyard are built only by the Tamilians. In image you are seeing about the Kallang Airport, which was built by the Tamil peoples of Singapore. Next one you are going to see about Johor Bridge. So Johor Bridge of Singapore, which was also built by the Tamil people, is considered to be the one of the main hard-working nature of a Tamil people. So already I have told you that the national monument of Singapore is considered to be the Mariamman temple. So next image you are going to see about, this is called as a Singapore Mariamman temple, which is built in a Dravidian style. This is how look exactly as our Tamil temple. Next one, you are going to learn about Fiji. So in Fiji also majority of people are considered to be the Tamils. So Fiji is a group of volcanic island. That means in most of the parts of the area of Fiji is covered by the volcanoes. So Fiji is a group of volcanic islands in the South Pacific region. Between the years of 1903 to 1916, the British people sent the Tamils to the Fiji as laborers to work in the different parts of Fiji. British people sent the Tamil people to the Fiji in the age of 1903 and 1916. So these green color dot image, which is located to the right hand side of Australia, is called as a Fiji, which is mainly considered as a volcanic island, which is called as island because it is covered by the all sides of water. So in 1938, a Madar Sangam was formed in Fiji, and it is called as a Indian Sangamara Madar Sangam. That means a women Sangam, a group of ladies which open up for their rights, that is called as a Madar Sangam. So in 1938, a Madar Sangam was formed in Fiji, and it is called as Indian Sangamara Madar Sangam. This Madar Sangam voice out mainly to help the people of poor and hungry Tamils. The purpose of the wing was set to aside one handful of rice before cooking, so that it will helpful for poor and hungry Tamils. In order to support the poor and hungry Tamils over the areas of Fiji, these Madar Sangam has been developed one policy in order to service the one handful of rice to the hungry and poor Tamils. The book named Tirukkurali was launched by Rathu Joni, Vice President of Fiji. Okay, children. This book is an ancient Tamil book version of Tirukkural. So the ancient version of Tirukkural in Fiji is called as a Tirukkurali. Why they have developed and launched Tirukkurali is to spread peace and multiculturalism in Fiji. There is one of a famous temple which is located in Fiji, which is called as a Siva Subramanya temple, in which Lord Muruga is considered to be the main god. So in today's class we have learned about Fiji and Singapore. Hope you all understand the classes, my dear children. Meet you all in the next class. Follow up the class regularly. Do the homework regularly. Follow up the app test also regularly, my dear children. Stay home. Stay safe. Meet you all in the next class, my dear children. Thank you all and bye-bye.